Welcome back to our channel, and today's topic is about water level indicator by using IC555 timer. We are going to see about how to control the wastage of water. Abstract. Nowadays, the people are generally worry about the wastage of water. For example, when they are switch on the motors and forget to off them back. By this type of practices, they are facing this wastage of water. So our idea is to make help them in saving water for future. Introduction. To detect the water level, we are going to attach two wires in a tank in a height where the user wants the water level to be maintained. And the one end of the wire is going to be connected in VCC and the other end of the wire is connected in fourth pin of IC555 timer. And the components we require here are IC555 timer and some resistors, capacitor, buzzer and some connecting wires. And here this is a circuit diagram of our project. This is a water tank. You can see your two props were connected in different levels. You can adjust these two levels according to our convenient where we want to be fixed. And the main element of this project is like IC555 timer. And you can hear the buzzer sound from here, from the buzzer. And we are connected with 12-volt battery. Then the working of the project is the circuit uses a triple five timer in a stable mode with R1 resistor is 22k ohms and R2 is 570 ohms. The frequency of the given stable circuit is around 62 Hz. The two probes which are shown in the circuit should be kept at the highest level of water and the distance between the probes should be less than few centimeters. Here the water level rises to height of the probes, then the 555 circuit will get enabled and the output of the 555 timer produces a square wave output with a frequency of about 62 Hz. And the output is given by a buzzer sound that the logic implemented in the circuit is 555 timer is enabled when it is reset pin is connected to logic height, but initially it is connected to the ground. When the water level is maximum, this pin is enabled and this drive the 555 timer into enable mode. And this is a project model. We have connected all the components here. You can see a working model here. You can see here when it is reaches our first probe, we can hear the buzzer sound from buzzer. At last, conclusion. The water level indicator using IC555 timer has been successfully designed and developed. Compared to other conventional method, this method shows excellent performance with its reliable technology and it is very cheaper when we compare to the other technologies nowadays. This experimental model was made according to the circuit diagram and the result were as we expected. Thank you and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and if you find useful things in my video please share with your friends. Thank you.